Hey guys, so I just got the July Fab Bag and I'm not wearing any lipstick because I have picked one lip product in this, so I want to try that out. And I absolutely love this pink pouch. It is like long and sleek and pretty spacious, and it has a lot of things inside. And then there is this one product outside. I think I'll start with this because it's outside. This is the Femme anti-darkening hair removal cream in gold. And yeah, I think they had included one Femme bleach I think last month, and this time it's the hair removal cream. It's priced at ₹58. So this is the first product, and then let's see what all do we have in here. But I'm so in love with the pouch and the texture and the color, of course. So yeah, first product, the second product is this lipstick, which I'll just try. It's the MyGlamm Perfect Curves 2-in-1 matte lipstick and lip liner. Now I already have tried this MyGlamm lipstick, that is the lip crayon, and I absolutely love it. I have it in the shade Debutante, which is a beautiful pink shade, and this time we had an option to pick one shade out of all the shades of the MyGlamm lip crayons, and there are beautiful reds, chocolates, browns, and a lot of different options. I picked the first shade, which is a peachy nude shade, and I already had Debutante, so I had to pick something else, and I picked this shade 01 and called Biscotti. So this is the lip crayon. I love MyGlamm's white and gold packaging. This is like super classy and pretty, and this is how the shade looks. Cheap brown everyday wear nude shade, and I'll just try it out right now. Shade looks. I absolutely love the MyGlamm Perfect Curves formula. Debutante is like one of my favorite matte lip crayons, and these are like matte and in a lip crayon formula, super easy to carry around, super easy to reapply, very comfortable on the lips, and pretty much lasts through the day. It does survive like light snacks and drinks. It is not like transfer proof, but you can easily touch up on the go, and it's very comfortable on the lips. That's the best part. So yeah, I absolutely love this shade. It's like a very pretty peachy brown with a hint of pink, and yeah, it's a perfect everyday wear shade. I love this. The third product in here is the APS Cosmetofood Whitening and Brightening Skin Diet, and it says for all skin types. It's like a kit which has activated organic spring water, soya milk kumkumadi cleanser, Arctic berry and strawberry enzyme dermo exfoliant, vanilla and caramel whitening cream, mulberry and licorice mask, whey protein eye mask, and almond latte serum. So there are like 5 ml and 6 ml sachets and tubes in here. So this is like the whole kit inside. So this is the activated organic spring water, which is step 1, and they have mentioned all the steps on the sachets, that is step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think this is good for like one-time use whenever you want to pamper your skin or want to do a facial at home. This is like a pretty good option because it has a serum, eye mask, cleanser, everything. I'm just not happy with the fact that this brand has whitening on the kit. I mean, vanilla and caramel is a whitening cream, and this is like a whitening kit. So brightening was good, but I don't know why they included whitening. I'm not very happy with that. It's like a pretty good one-time use thing, which you can even carry along when you want to do something for your skin when you're traveling. And then there is this Ozori Volcanic Minerals Vitamin E Face Wash, which is 100 ml and priced at ₹99, and it is paraben free and cruelty free, and it does not have all the ingredients mentioned. I hate it when brands don't mention all the ingredients, just the key ingredients are mentioned, which is vitamin E water, CAPB, CDEA, glycerin, glycol, SLES, DMDM, hydantoin, and phenoxyethanol. So there are quite a few chemicals in there, but they have mentioned just the key ingredients, and I don't know how many total chemicals will be there in the product. but it says it's paraben free. Thank God they didn't claim it to be organic. I'm not really sure. I like it when brands mention all the ingredients and keep it like crystal clear. Yeah, but sounds good. I'll just take a sniff. It smells good. It doesn't even have a protective cover or anything. I would have liked a flip cap packaging, because you will have to like unscrew every time you wash your face, which is kind of inconvenient. Smells good though. Please excuse the noise. I think there's some construction work going on. And then there is this hip hop cleansing charcoal nose strip. I love nose strips. I mean, they are absolutely perfect when your nose gets like super gritty with all the hair and blackheads and whiteheads. Like for me, whiteheads personally, and I get a lot of small fine hair on my nose. So these kind of nose strips take all the hair also off. So I'm really excited for this, and this is like a one-time use thing which you can even keep in your bag and use on the go. And finally, I have the last product in here, which is the Aaryanveda hair serum. Vitalize with walnut oil, and it says it's a hair polishing and smoothing serum for soft and silky hair. This is priced at ₹90 and is 45 ml, and has this small nozzle pump here, which is pretty good and handy. Sounds good though. It has coconut oil, walnut oil and light liquid paraffin. I think this is good to use like towards your dry ends, because they always need some sort of moisture and shine. So yeah, this is the final product in here. I'll tell you the prices of each product. The theme for this month is the Gotcha Covered July Fab Bag, and the MyGlamm lipstick, that is the lip crayon, is priced at ₹795. The Ozori face wash is again full sized and priced at ₹99. The APS Cosmetofood kit is priced at ₹250. The Aaryanveda hair serum is priced at ₹90. The Femme hair removal cream is priced at ₹58. And the hip hop nose strip is priced at ₹30 for one strip. Some single units which are sold like individually, but then almost everything is like full size, nothing is like small or tiny. And the total value of all the products comes to around ₹1350, like 1350. So this is everything we have in this month's Fab Bag. The brands are like okay, some products are good, some are like okay. I really like the MyGlamm lip crayon and the hip hop nose strip. The Femme hair removal cream is good for people who use hair removal creams. And the APS kit is like good. I'm not happy with the fact that they claim it to be a whitening kit, but other than that the products look good. Wash looks okay, and the hair serum is good to use like towards your ends, but the ingredients are like okay. Mixed bag, it's not really like a must have, but you can get the Fab Bag if you really want to try the MyGlamm lip crayon, which I think you should, because I love the formula and they have some pretty good shades. So I really like the MyGlamm lip crayon, and if you want to try that, you can definitely go for the Fab Bag. The MyGlamm lip crayon is priced at $795 and the Fab Bag is like $599. So you can definitely get the Fab Bag if you want the MyGlamm lip crayon. So yeah guys, this was my July Fab Bag review and unboxing. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, I announced the previous giveaway winner twice, but both the times the winners were not following me on Instagram, which was one of the mandatory rule. When I say guys, please check all the rules and follow all the rules in the info box. Make sure you do that, because then you will be disqualified from the giveaway, even though you might have been picked by the random.org tool. So please follow all the mandatory rules at least. So I'll pick a new winner today or tomorrow and announce it in the same video. Yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.